Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Massac County, Illinois, southeastern Pope County, Illinois, southern Livingston County, Kentucky, northwestern Marshall County, Kentucky, southeastern McCracken County, Kentucky, northwestern Lyon County, Kentucky, until 4 a.m. At 3:15 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lone Oak, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Smithland, Lone Oak, Barkley Regional Airport, Calvert City, Hamletsburg, Paducah, Berna, Ledbetter, Brookport, and Reedland. This includes Interstate 24 in Kentucky between mile markers 3 and 21, and between mile markers 31 and 34. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 a.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Massac and Pope, and the following counties in Kentucky, Livingston, Lyon, Marshall, and McCracken.